Hi everyone, welcome back to Felix Art World. Here I am back with another ceramic pot. I did two dirty pours on this one. The first one didn't work out that well. It was too watered down and the paint broke. It didn't bind properly and it was separating. You could see it separating, so that wasn't that good. Anyway, the colors I used here was golden, a really dark gray, a dirty white, and a golden rose. And I'm going to save the leftover paint for a future project that requires acrylic skin. Here it is, nice and dry, but you can see I like the colors. But you can see how it broke. The paint didn't bind to each other. So I washed it off and started anew. And silly me, I forgot to hit play. I forgot to record the actual pour, but here it is. I used less black on this one, less dark gray, let's say, because it wasn't really black per se, and accidentally touched it there while it was wet. The colors I am using are this golden green, which I really love. I am also using a golden rose again, like I did on the first pour, and the dirty white and the dark gray. Those were the four colors used in this pour. The next step is to stipple it, cover that area that had my thumb marked on it, and I'm just gonna cover. I actually did 2 layers of stippling this green color in some areas, especially the forehead. This area right here, sort of the cheeks, I wanted to see more of that background color, the actual pour. So I went with only 1 layer. All right, so now I will be making different values of this green, mixing it with the yellow and a little bit of the dirty white. Also, I will be using black to make it darker. And I want to get at least 3 to 4 different shades of green. I ended up doing 2 coats of each color, and I added some of that metallic green as well because I love it. And for this next step, I will be using these colors for the dots. I will be dotting the green, well, they're not lines, segments, I'll just call them segments. The green segments will be dotted, even outside the segments. I'm gonna also dot some areas. liking it, but it's missing something. Something. Yep, lines. So I'm gonna use the golden rose to make some lines separating or defining the segments. I added more dots outside of the green segments into the dirty pores section. And now I did spray some varnish on it, 2 coats, let it dry, and notice that I needed eyelashes because I want this pot to look like it's meditating or just at peace, you know, sitting on a shelf peacefully. I'm using, it's not black, the color I'm using is a really dark brown, raw umber. And since I wasn't entirely happy with that line, I easily erased it with a wet brush and then dried it up and tried again. And finito is ready for the plant. I placed some succulents in it, and this is the finished product. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I gave you some good ideas of something new to do with those pots that you have at home. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao. Give me a like and subscribe. Ciao.